Wheezing is a high-pitched purring or whistling sound heard when your child breathes out, and it's usually associated with asthma over the age of 2, but when kids are younger than 2, it's oftentimes associated with bronchiolitis, or something that happens when they become infected, usually with a virus or RSV, as you may have heard, and it infects the tiny little tubes in their lungs. So if your baby is wheezing, the best thing to do would be to take him to the doctor, and they can decide if his condition warrants further investigation or treatment. Now, you also mentioned that it seemed to correlate with the same time he got his shots, like a week or so ago. And usually shots don't cause any adverse effects, especially with breathing, but there are cases where they do. And the American Academy of Pediatrics has the following recommendations about vaccinations and when to have your child seen afterwards if you suspect there's an issue. If your child has a fever that is high and not improving with over-the-counter medications, you should have them seen. If they have high-pitched, unusual sounding screams for 1 hour or more, if they have any redness or red streaking around the injection site that starts 2 or more days after the shot, then they should be seen. And obviously, if you're concerned about anything. But with your baby, I think the biggest concern would be if you notice any other continual issues with breathing, the doctor can check your baby out and make sure all is well. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page and recommend us to your friends and family too.